Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is going to be a little short video on something you may or may not know. When you go up to your list of fonts, the default size is about this size. I think it's set at 20 points. So you can, and some of these are hard to read, like Dark Woman. I can barely read it, or I don't even know what that one is. I can't see it. So to change that, go up to Tools, Customization, Text, Fonts, and right here, font size used on font list. Let's make it 40. Let's double it. Press OK. Now when you go up to your font list, look how big they are. You can see, and now I can see that that's Dark Woman. I can read them a lot clearer. Some of you might, and see even the slide out is quite a bit bigger, so it's easier to read. Now, until you save that as default, it probably will go back when you turn off your computer. Or you can very easily go back and change it, go to text and fonts. And there's a lot of things you can check on and off. You can display only the fonts that are on your document, which I've never really understood. But it's pretty cool. But you could change this, and you can always change the number of most recent fonts displayed. If you change this to 10, then the top 10 in your font list from here up will be 10 fonts instead of 5 of your last recent ones. But I think making it bigger, especially like if you're using a laptop and the screen's not real big, it'd be a lot easier if you're looking for a particular font. And you get to actually see what the script or the text looks like. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.